Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. I want to show you something about these electronic brakes. You definitely can hear them come on when you push it. Okay, so just wanted to show you something about that. When you get into doing a brake job, if you've ever worked on one of these cars before, what you have to do is go into vehicle while it's running, settings, and if you look where it says brakes, when you click on this, it'll say brake service. When you click on that, it says, would you like to retract parking brakes to allow for brake system service? That's where you would hit yes. Okay, on a lot of vehicles, you have to make sure you do that or you can damage the brakes as you're trying to change your brake pads or the brake pads and rotors. So if you have electronic brakes, make sure you're putting it into a service mode or looking up how to do that so you don't damage the brakes.